Hey, it's Phil here and welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently at Town Hall, just got off the train at Town Hall Sydney Trains. Now we're going to walk just up George Street here and swing a right onto Park Street. And we're going to have a look at Gadigal Station, Gadigal Sydney Metro. Gadigal Station is part of the Sydney Metro extension from Chatswood onto Sydenham, which will be opening next month, August. And I've seen some photos recently of Gadigal Station and how it's been uncovered a little bit. So while I'm just making up my mind whether to cross the road here or walk straight up there, I'll walk up this way so we can have a look at the corner up here across to Gadigal Station. But yeah, anyway, so I've seen some photos recently of some of the hoarding, some of the wall, construction wall, whatever you want to call it, being removed from Gadigal Station, so you can actually see inside a little bit. So I thought I'd just do this little bit of an update video. So that's Gadigal Station there on the corner of Park and Pitt Streets. Originally, Gadigal Station was to be named Pitt Street. However, that's changed. Now we're going to take a bit of a walk around and see what has been uncovered and what hasn't. There is a high-rise being built on top of Gadigal Station, so that's this building here. Good timing. There's a little part open here, but I don't think it's what we're looking for. And if it is, then that's all right. No, it's not, because the part I'm looking for actually had a lot more signage. There is some escalators in view here, which take people in an upward direction, so that would be up into the tower here. So what we'll do now is we'll continue around. I do want to keep my distance a little though. I don't really want to walk along the building here. I kind of want to view it from across the road. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross just here, and then we're going to cross to the right and past the Criterion Hotel there. He's having some luck with these lights today. This thing's been chicking me out from across the road. Pardon the pun. Okay. No luck there, so we'll head up a little bit more. It would be a little bit more convenient if people moved to the side instead of standing in the middle of the road having their conversation. In the middle of the path, I mean. Alright, we're going to cross straight then left. Light should go off in just a minute. Or not. Here. Alright, so that's just a normal work area. Let's try to find where this opening was. Alright, little adventure. So this is not a waste of time. I was just looking again, went back to the post. Apparently it's Bathurst Street. So there's an entrance over on Bathurst Street that we've got to head over to. So this is the corner of Park and Castlereagh Streets. Bathurst Street is just a block down this way, so we're just going to walk down Castlereagh Street here, and then we're there. I was looking at it thinking that like maybe they took the walls down and maybe put scaffolding up or something like that. Maybe it could have just been visible for a short period of time and then covered up again. However, that's not the case. It was the fact that I was nowhere near the entrance that I needed to be at. So this street here is Castlereagh Street. Thought I'd get this update done before the opening next month. And yeah, that's all right. It's good to go on a little adventure. Saves the video from being just a minute and a half long. And so we've got Bathurst Street just up here. Pretty sure this is Bathurst Street anyway. Hopefully we can see inside there a bit too. At this stage, it's a street with no name. Oh no, never mind. It is Bathurst. Oh sweet, yeah, I found the entrance. Oh, that is really cool. Bathurst Street. That pinkish coloured building in the distance there is the one that we're looking for. And there is definitely some signage. Fantastic. Just missed the lights, that's alright. Do a little zoom in while we're waiting. Beautiful. You got the Metro lollipop, some teal signage, and the other. Been thinking to myself, I was wondering when this was going to be uncovered because I knew that the Metro was going to open in such a short amount of time. Basically only a month away. Very nice. Yeah, you know, to tell you the truth, I've never seen this entrance before. So there's Gadigal. Information screen there, just sitting under the station sign. Metro lollipop. So that'd be the escalators down to the platforms where that sign is there, center screen. Beautiful artwork there. Very nice. Alrighty, that's all for this video, folks. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and we'll catch you all very, very soon. Ciao.